All right, Tesla fam, let's dive into how a Tesla actually works. From the tech inside to the driving experience, let's break it down. At its core, Tesla vehicles are electric cars powered by batteries. Instead of an internal combustion engine like traditional cars, Teslas use electric motors that are powered by large battery packs. These battery packs, usually made from lithium ion cells, are stored under the floor of the car. This low placement gives the vehicle a low center of gravity, enhancing performance and stability. When you press the accelerator, the car taps into the stored electrical energy in the battery, which flows into the motor. This motor turns the wheels, providing torque instantly for that smooth, powerful acceleration. No gear shifts are necessary, making the ride seamless and quiet. Now, Tesla's unique software is a key player in how the car runs. Tesla cars feature an advanced onboard computer that controls everything from the motor's power output to battery management. This software is constantly updated through over-the-air software updates, meaning your Tesla can improve and add new features even after you've driven it off the lot. And of course, Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving FSD features add to the high-tech experience, using sensors, cameras, and radar to monitor the road and help steer, accelerate, and brake automatically in certain situations. That's the basics on how Tesla works, but there's so much more under the hood. Be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.